according to research today, are the favorite foods for cancer. The other day, Dr. Octarit give us a lecture. You know Dr. Octarit, Adventist scientist. And in this study, we discovered nga mga cancer cells, mga patay kung pagkaunong utan. Utan is good. It is rich in phytochemicals. That's why in the Garden of Eden, the first diet, no, is composed of fruits, grains, and nuts. When was the vegetable added? It was after the fall. In Genesis 3:16, when Adam and Eve fell into sin, God said, "From now on, you eat the vegetables of the land." How come it was not included in the original diet? It was only added after the fall, because God is a God. They introduced vegetables for our protection. And in our advocacy today, we are campaigning for vegetables. Because in the Philippines, we Filipinos don't care to eat vegetables. Nalibay ko this Davao, may hinaon kayo muputan. Pagkalakas, nagkaroon na mo nga, daghang mga dahon nini. Daghang dahon nini ng ikaon na wala dito sa suko. But for all the Filipinos, you know, only 13% of Filipinos eat vegetables. And in America, the first vegetable consumed by an American baby sa edad nga 14 months, you know this kind of vegetable, it is